Today, we are going to make some grass. No, I'm not in Colorado, so it's not going to be that kind of grass. It's our techniques that are so simple and sensible, your mothers would practically build themselves. Hello folks, it's Mad Dog Merv. Welcome to the Kit Hoarder Stash. I have some more figures. I know, it figures. First off though is something I didn't even know existed. When I was doing some work for Kit Links a few weeks ago at their warehouse, there was kind of a lull in the action, and I got on the internet and I was looking through their stock for anything that was U.S. Marines World War II. And this figure pops up. This thing from CMK pops up. And I go, what the heck? So I look at it, and it says, U.S. Marine soldier with flamethrower M2A1 Iwo Jima 1945. Yes, that got my attention. So we're going to take a look at him and see. Again, this is from CMK. So first off, here's the breakdown of the parts. And then here's kind of where it shows everything goes. Assembly, if you will. Very nicely molded resin kit, that's for darn sure. I'm looking at this torso here. And just the molding on it is really good. Excuse me, his canteens are already molded in. Some of his ammo pouches and the body of the flamethrower are there already. Here is the flamethrower gun, the tank for the back, and some of the fittings. Got his arms, and one of the hands is separate. Whoa, come on. Focus, 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 focus. There we go. This has got to be a piece of hose that they didn't include as hose. It's resin. I don't think that's going to work out too well. Probably be replacing that. Don't know what this was, but we'll check it out here in a moment. Let's see, what is that? I don't know. But here's his helmet and his face. And again, I can't get up real close to show you his face, but it is very well sculpted. And the helmet with the helmet cover, quite nice. So there's that one. Looks like it'll be a quick, easy build, and then of course got to paint him. I'm being attacked. Thing flies. Okay. So while we're on the subject of resin figures, Marine Corps flamethrowers, I have also picked this one up from Verlinden. Got a light? Yeah, it looks like the one guy at the flamethrower is gonna light the cigarette of the other guy. Pretty good. Pretty good little comical scene there. Of course, with the Verlinden figures, you just kind of have to figure it out. There's no real instructions, which is fine. But typical Verlinden, you know, that kind of a mustard-colored resin. Good quality, good molding. Just look at the pants on this. Very, very well done. I'm getting attacked. These damn flies. Here's the torsos. The flamethrower. Looks like shoes, ammo pouches, K-bar, and a canteen. Here we've got a figure wearing garrison cap. This would be our flamethrower figure. This would be our other Marine. Even has kind of a laughing face. Don't know that you can see it very well, but he has kind of a laughing face. Full pack. Another set of shoes with a 45 and the canister for the flamethrower. And the gun for the flamethrower. Nozzle, whatever you want to call it. And then we have 4 arms. Yay, 4 arms are better than 2. Especially if you got 2 figures. Whoops. Anyway, there's 3 of them. And the 4th. So, another fun little resin set. I do enjoy these. They actually build quick and easy, and they're well molded. They're a little bit of money. They're still you're paying in the $20s to $30 range for the 2 figures, but they are great, unique poses, and well, I like them. So there. Well, thanks for joining us today, folks. We will see you again soon with some more craziness and some stuff here on the stash. Bye-bye.